Hello everybody. Let's get straight to it. You've hopefully been following my YouTube API project. What we're attempting to do is programmatically update the descriptions of videos on a single channel and append all of the descriptions. So if a user has a channel and he has 100 videos and he wants to put an extra link at the end of the descriptions for those 100 videos, we want to do it programmatically using the Google YouTube API. So the first thing to do is test the code that I've written so far. I've written one program, which is YouTube API thumbget, which started off getting the thumbnails, and now it also gets the descriptions and the video IDs. That's program one. Program two is a Python script which I got from the Google developer GitHub page, ytapithumbget.py, I think it's called, which is what we're going to call in a minute. So I just want to show you, this is a channel, this is a video on my channel that I'm prepared to sacrifice for the purposes of testing. It's a semi-comedy tutorial where I just showed how to read text from a file and print it to the screen with a random time delay. I suspect it's probably used by sort of chatbots to try to make it look as if humans are typing at the other end with delays in between typing sentences and so on. Anyway, what we want to do is update this. So I've removed the original description, which was fairly lengthy, just so to make it really obvious that it's working when I run the update description. I've just put in 2 words here. So I've got the video ID already, which is here. So it's v equals, and then the ID is there, and it goes up to and as far as the ampersand. I have actually got that in my JSON file, but just for the purposes of this video, I'm going to highlight it here and show you. So what we've got.
Can you just get on with it, please? Otherwise, I'm just going to go off and watch the Code Monkey King YouTube channel. I think he's better. Oh, you bugger up!
Sudo Python 3 update video py, which is the update Python script from GitHub. You have hyphen video ID equals, then that is the video ID which you just saw me get from the address bar, and then hyphen description equals, and there is my new text. So just for demo purposes, I'm just going to put some new sample text, and then I'm going to put a new link. When I run this in Anger, it will actually say, it will have the original description because I've still got that saved somewhere, and then it will put up the new link to Hurricane app and the mirror. Anyway, you're probably bored listening to me talk. Let's run it. I will just have to obscure this link when I run it, and when you see it on the video, obviously because of it's unique to me, and I don't want anyone out there in internet land using it and hijacking my site. So here we go. Right, so I'm going to copy that link, and then I'm going to quickly go over to screen 3. I'm just going to authorize because the app isn't verified, I'm not sure if I'll ever be able to get that, but in the meantime I sign in manually and then I get like a sign-in code which I'm going to paste in here. For those of you who've followed me before, you will know that when I start up my VM, for some reason it's lost the internet connection, so let's quickly...
Yeah, can you just show it working, please? Just get on with it. Thank you. Don't forget.
Right, we've got internet connection. Let's run it again. Right. I've got a feeling I might have to get another code again. Now this is going to be a potential problem which I will update you with in the next video, because... Great, there we go. So what has it done? So what have we got here? We've got a lot of the original... Yeah, so it's kept the... Yeah, there we go. So the authorization code, blah blah blah, URL, channel title, old description. Yes, it knew the old description there. The updated video metadata is, so it knows that the title's the same, and then description, test, mirror, up and running on Epico, also 2. I think I put also 2 just because it was the second test I ran, but I digress. Right, so I'm going to take you over to screen 3 and let's just refresh the browser and scroll down. You ready? There we go. It has updated the description, got the video, got the title, and we've got some new text. Now that may not look very significant to you, but to me it is, because the next step will be to, if we can update one video, we can update 100 or whatever number you want. And that's my train of thought. Yeah, so I've written the code, the ytapithumbget.py, which gets the thumbnails, the descriptions, the titles, the video ID. So I have all those in a JSON file, and I actually append the descriptions as I download and save them anyway, because if you've seen the earlier videos, I had a variable called additional text. That lets me append the existing text, that lets me append some new text at the end of the original existing description. I'll talk to CodeMonkey King because that may or may not be okay. For my videos, I think I'm okay with that, so I will just put in probably two extra lines at the end of all of my descriptions for all of my videos, just showing some mirrors to Epico and the Epico mirror, which is an online Python editor, which is really good. So I hope this has piqued your interest, because what this does allow you to do is update every single video on your channel, provided you've got an API key, which you can get from Google free of charge. And potentially, if you've got 500 videos and you want to, I don't know, say you've got a new website and you want to put the link to your new website in the descriptions of 500 videos. Fingers crossed, the next video of this will show multiple videos having the descriptions updated. Well, I say that the only potential problem may be if I have to go off and if I have to go and authorize this application each time in between each upload, because that'll be a lot of mouse, click and copy and paste back in. What I want to do is make it so that the update video py has a for loop, and it loops through the JSON file, and it loops through all the video IDs, all the video descriptions, and fingers crossed, if I can make it work how I want it to work, it will just require me to authorize the application once. Now, I don't know if it needs to authorize that once when the file is running, it makes the call to the API, or if I loop through, if it will need it each time. That's the challenge for today. So we have progress, so I will speak to you soon.